Good morning to all of you. Friends, today we are going to learn Unit 2, 2.1, You Start Dying Slowly. The poem is written by Pablo Neruda. Introduction of the poet. The poet was born 12th July 1904 to 23 September 1973. He was a poet from Chile. He was one of the greatest 20th century poets. He was famous for his passionate love as well as revolutionary poem. He was a diplomat and politician poet. The poem is didactic poem in a very positive sense. It is very much appeals to the modern sensibilities. It reminds us against the age-old wisdom. The theme of the poem is to inspire and motivate the readers. The poet doesn't want anybody to lose hope of happy future. He expects that we should follow his advice to make our future happy. Now we are going to learn the poem line by line. The first stanza of the poem. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. In this line, the poet tells us that if we do not travel, read or listen to the sounds of life, we start dying slowly. This is so even when we do not recognize the good qualities that lies within ourselves. In that time also, we start dying slowly. Means the poet give here the good advice. What is the good advice? The good advice that travel. You read, listen the sounds of life, appreciate the good qualities that you have. If you do this, in that time you will be success or you will live the happy in future. The second stanza of the poem. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. In the second stanza, the poet reminds us that if we kill our self-esteem or we do not let others to help us, in that time we start dying slowly. Third stanza, if you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Explanation of the poem of the stanza. The poet says here that if one becomes a slave of one's habits or do the same things after day without changing, in that time also means one start dying slowly. The poet again here also says that if you do not wear different colors or you do not speak to those you don't know, in that time also you start dying slowly. Means the poet here advises us that you wear the different types of the color, meaning that enjoy the life by wearing the different colors of clothes. You also speak with the person. Those you don't know, mean those we don't know, that with that person we must speak. If we do this, if we follow this advice, we live the happy in future. But if we ignore these ideas, this advice, we lose the happy future, that is dying slowly, means losing hope of happy future. Now we are going to learn the fourth stanza. If you avoid to feel passion and another turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Explanation of the stanza. The poet strongly warns us that if we avoid strong feeling and the turbulent emotions which bring a sparkle to our eyes and make our heart beat fast, then also we start dying slowly. Means here the poet focus on the two things. The two things are feel passion and turbulent emotions. The passion and turbulent emotion that make our eyes glisten, that make our eyes lightening, and that also make our heart beat fast. If we avoid these things in that time, you start dying slowly, that is losing hope of happy future. In the last stanza, if you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. According to the poet, we start dying slowly if we do not change our life when we are not satisfied with our job or love. We also start dying slowly if we do not show the courage to risk for uncertain. If we do not go after a dream, or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice at least once in our lifetime, even then we start dying slowly. Means here poet give good advice also. And what are the good advice? The good advice are, the poet tells us, change your life when you are not satisfied in job or even love. Take the risks even though that is uncertain. Follow the dreams. And now I remind the dream of Abdul Kalam. Here the quote of the Abdul Kalam: dream is not what you see while sleeping. Dream is not what you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. In the same way, the poet tells that follow the dream. At least once in your lifetime, you hear inner voice and put himself on the right place.